Hi everyone, today is cabochon cutting day. Today I'm going to be cutting a small piece into an oval shape. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. My name is Jeff. Today I am going to be cutting a little piece that was left over from a slab. Now I didn't think it would cut into much, but I think it's going to cut into a nice oval shape. If you haven't been here before and you liked the video, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and if you've got some comments, just let me know in the comment section below and ask any questions you would like. This is just a piece of blue-green. Of course, of the shape there, I'll be making it into an oval, sort of a long oval. So we'll get started, see how we go. We'll just rough it into shape and see how it goes. Get in there. Let's take a bit off of the top here, and then I'll go and dop it up. Okay, we'll just warm our stone up as usual. Try not to overheat it. I seem to do that too much at times. Just need it to be warm enough, not cold. Push the wax around. And center it on our Dop Stick. This makes life easier. Again, we'll just get this shape a bit better. There's a hole there, and there's a little it goes all the way through. So it might be interesting to see what we end up with, but that's sort of a fact of life with this material, and it doesn't really take away from it, I don't think. Maybe if you like perfect, it does. Just screw up the sides a bit better. Check the shape. Okay. Put an angle on that. check our shape again. I think that's right, so we can start rolling this over a bit better. You just see that flash in there of colour. Whether we'll keep it or not, it seems to run down on a seam there, so hopefully we'll keep that. Right. Hey, hopefully we can get rid of all those facets then. Keep knocking the light today and I keep knocking the camera. Okay, we're ready for the kiln. I'll fire polish this and then I'll be back to show you the final state. Well, that piece has been fire polished in the kiln and it's turned out very nice. It is a little brighter than I expected and I think it will make a nice piece of jewellery. Have a look at it and let me know what you think in the comments below. So that's it for today. If you want to see more videos, you'll find some videos up here and down here, and please don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, I'll say bye for now.